ऑफ रोड पे कभी चलाए?
ऑफ रोड पे भी चलती है, बड़ी प्यारी चलती है ऑफ रोड में, पता ही नहीं चलता।
यो व्हाट्स अप गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर वीडियो। और इस वीडियो में मैं देने जा रहा हूँ पूरा रिव्यू दी मैसिव महिंद्रा TUV 300 T10 वेरिएंट है और इसका रिव्यू देने जा रहे हैं मैसिव SUV, जैसा कि आप देख सकते हैं। और जो ओनर हैं इस SUV के मिस्टर पवन सिंह, जिन्होंने मुझे जो है अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि मैं इस वीडियो को शूट कर सकूं और एक कस्टमर साथ ही साथ एक रिव्यू ले आऊं पूरा महिंद्रा TUV 300 का। तो चलिए वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना किसी देरी के। तो गाइस, एज यू कैन सी, दिस इज द महिंद्रा TUV 300, द मैसिव SUV of Mahindra, and Mahindra have again done a lots of work on the TUV, and as you can see the front profile of the TUV 300. This is the T10 variant, as I have already told you in the starting of the video. So let's talk about the whole work of the car. So here the halogen headlamps, you will get a halogen headlamps. As you can see, the massive headlamps are available in the car, which is so good, and quite massive headlamps are available. So let's talk about the grille of the car. The grille is all the way so fantastic and comes with the chrome plating as well. As you can see, the chrome work is also done on the car, which is all the way so good. Honeycomb grille is available in the car, which is so good, and here the massive logo of Mahindra as well. So the badging is also good, and the headlamps are all the way so fantastic. So let's talk about this. This is the front fog light, which is also so good and comes with a chrome work as well. As you can see, the chrome work is also available here, which is all the way so good, and the front profile of the car is quite massive and quite bigger in size. So let's talk about the side profile of the Mahindra TUV 300. And here the car is, and you can see the car is quite bigger in size and massive in size also. And this is the side profile of the Mahindra TUV 300. So let's talk about the tire of the car. So first, these are the 215 by 75 R15 alloy wheels are available in the Mahindra TUV 300 for the T10 variant as well, and the badging of Mahindra is also given on the tire, and these are the Apollo tires as well, as you can see. And if we talk about the engine type is all the way so fantastic. As you already know about the Bolero and the Scorpio 2. The AMOC turbocharged diesel engine is available in the car, which will generate 100 bhp of horsepower at 3750 rpm, which is all the way so fantastic. And if we talk about the torque of the car, the torque is about 240 Nm of torque at 1650 to 2750 rpm, which is all the way so fantastic. So now let's talk about this. These are the power window front and side and at the rear too, and with a massive wipers are also available in the car, which is all the way so good. So here the indicator is also available, which is all the way so good. And this car is quite modified by the owner, as you know, because these are the ORVM, and this is the modified ORVM because the design on the ORVM is modified by the owner, and the chrome strips are also modified by the owner, and this also because the owner have done many modification on the car. So let's leave them and let's talk about the car which is come from the company. So here the door handle with the same color of the car as well, as you already know. And you will get a side stepper too, because the width and the height of the car is quite good and quite massive. So let's talk about the length, width and the height of the car. So if we talk about the length of the car, length is about 3.9 meter and the width is about 1.7 meter, which is so good. And if we talk about the height, the car is so tall, 1.8 meter height of the car is quite good. And if we talk about the wheelbase, 2.6 meter of wheelbase is available. You will get in mm, but I have already told you that I will show the height dimension of the car in meter. And if we talk about the fuel tank capacity of the car is about 60 liter, which is so good. And this is the BS4 model, as you know. And so let's get to the rear profile of the car. The rear profile is all the way so good. As you can see, Mahindra done a lots of work on their car as well. Again, they have done a massive work on this car. Here you will get the rear door handle, as you know already know, and the Mahindra badging is also available here, and the TUV 300 300 badging is also available here. The spare tire is which made this car more quite good and quite fantastic, and the massive logo of Mahindra as well, and the T10 badging to show you the variant of the car, which is so good. And if we talk about the tail lamp of the car, the tail lamp is quite massive and quite big in size. As you can see, the chrome plating is again modified by the owner but not by the company. So here the tail lamp, these are the so good red lens tail lamps are available in the car, which is all the way so good. So let's get to the inside profile. Before getting to the inside profile, I want to show you that here the parking camera, parking sensor are available, and this is the reflector, not the fog lamp, as because no fog lamp is available at the rear, and here the stepper is available to easily enter inside the car. And here you will get a power window at the rear with a defogger and the washer and wiper too. So this is what the car is, and the Mahindra TUV 300 is. So let's talk about this. Here the roof spoiler is also available, the roof rails are also available here, the rails are available, and the power antenna is also available in the car, which is all the way so fantastic. So let's get inside the car, and I am going to tell you more things about the car and more feature of the car. So let's get inside the car without wasting any time. So guys, before getting inside the car, I want to show you the engine of the car. The quite massive engine is available, as I have already told you about the engine. This is the Amhawk turbocharged diesel engine, which is quite good, and 3 number of cylinder is also available with 2 valves per cylinder, which is quite good, and a lots of space has been given for the car, for the engine, and the insulation is also available, and the bonnet is quite massive in size because the car is so strong and so good in size, and so strong powerful car is available. And this car will generate about 100 bhp of power. As I have already told you, the gear type is about 5-speed gearbox is available in the car, which is so good. So let's get inside the car without wasting any time. Let's get inside the car, and I'm going to enter inside the car. The car is quite massive, so let's talk about the door of the car. The door is all the way so fantastic, and in the whole car you will get a double tone texture, as you know, and the double tone work is done on the car. Here the door opener is, and the silver garnish is given on the car, which is so good. And here lots of space has been given to keep your stuff and whatever you want to keep, and a water bottle too. And here the speaker is also given, which is all the way so good. So let's get inside the car without wasting any time. So guys, the car is quite good and quite massive in size, as you already know the car is quite good. And here the whole work of the car is given. The double tone dashboard is available in the car, airbag is available in the car, the AC vent with a silver garnish is also available all the way, all the places, and the touch screen is also available for the top variant, T10 variant. The massive touch screen is given, infotainment touch screen is given, and here the Mahindra is. So let's open the car, and the radio control, phone, info, and every mode is given. So let's get started. So guys, let's talk about the feature of the car. Here you will get the mirror, as you know the mirror is also available here, and here you will also get here you will not get a mirror, and here you will get a mirror. Here the light control and everything is given here, as you know, and this is the AC vent as well. The AC vent is also given here. The silver garnish is also available, the modes are also available, the AC control has been also given here, as you know, AC, eco and everything. The control of the touch screen is also given here, the navigation and the home button is also available, the caller option and everything is also available. As you already know, the car is quite massive, and here the media, radio, phone, car info, navigation, setting, everything is available. Car info, as you know, and the fuel info, alert, service info, and many things are available here, as you can see. So the car is quite massive in size and quite bigger. So let's talk about the steering wheel of the car. The steering wheel is quite adjustable and telescopic. Till 10 telescopic steering wheel is available. The steering is quite massive and quite good in size. As you can see, the whole thing, the multi-functioning steering wheel is available, and the collar option, everything is available at the steering wheel, and the cluster is also quite good. As you can see, the speedometer and the odometer is also available, which is so good. So here you will get a odometer and a speedometer too. As you can see, here you will get a mileage and how many kilometer your car has been driven, and many information are available there at the cluster, which is so good. And if we talk about the gearbox, the gear is 5-speed gearbox are available, manual gearbox is available. Here the handbrake is given. As you can see, the car is on neutral, and the charging socket is here, USB cable is here, the aux cable is also here. You can keep your phone and whatever you want to keep, you can keep here, and the window controls are also given here. You can keep a small phone or many things you can want to keep. Here the cup holder are given, and here you can keep the water bottle as well. Charging socket is also given here for the rear passenger, for the passenger. So guys, let's talk about this. Here you will get the armrest as well. The armrest is also available. You can put your hand according to yourself. So the car is quite good and quite massive in size. As you can see, you can adjust the ORVM according to yourself, which is also so good. Adjustable headlamps are also available. Airbags are also available in the car, and here the holder is also given, and at the rear you will get a holder, and I will get to the rear also. So let's talk about the legroom, and the decent amount of headroom is also given. Legroom is quite good for the co-driver and the driver too. As you can see, the driver legroom is also given, and the decent amount of headroom is also given, which is also so good. Now let's talk about this. Here you will get the glove box, and many things are available here, which is also so good. So let's get to the driver's seat. This is 7-seater car, which is so fantastic. Now let's get to the driver's seat. So guys, the seat is also adjustable. As you know, you need to just adjust the seat according to yourself from here. So let's get to the rear seat without wasting any time. So let's close this. So let's get to the driver's seat. Here the passenger seats are also quite big and quite massive in size. You will get a headrest here, and here also the headrest is given, as you can see, and a decent amount of legroom, and the headroom is also given at the passenger at the rear, and the holder is also given here. The light control has been given. So the car is all the way so good, and the rear parking is also available, which is so good. So the rear parking is also available. So let's get to the boot space. Boot, I am going to show you the boot of the car, which is also quite massive. So let's here the boot space. So let's open this. 2 people can easily sit at the rear. As you can see, as I have already told you, that 2 people can sit easily on the at the rear. As you can see, the car is quite good, and you can fold this according to yourself. If you want to fold the seat, you can fold it, and if you not want to fold the seat, you can't. So let's talk about this. Here the rear door, and you will get a holder, and the open and lock button is also given. Here you can keep your water bottle, lots of magazine you can put here, and whatever you want to put here you can put. And the car is quite massive and quite good, and the double tone texture, as I have already told you, that in the whole car you will get the double tone, as the black and the brownish shade is also given here everywhere, and the holder is also given here too. So let's talk to the customer about the car, and the owner about the car, what he says about the car and what he feels about the car, that what type of car is this. So let's get inside the car. सो गाइस, चलिए हम बात करते हैं अब ओनर से कि उनको कैसी लगी ये कार। तो चलिए बात करते हैं। तो सबसे पहले जो क्वेश्चन होगा हमारा इनसे वो ये है कि क्या पसंद आया कि उन्होंने महिंद्रा TUV 300 को ख़रीदा। तो क्या चीज़ आपको अच्छी लगी इस कार के अंदर?
इसका डिज़ाइन बहुत अच्छा लगा। हैवी गाड़ी हैवी है, चलने में साउंड नहीं है। बाकी अदर कार में साउंड आती है रोड की, इसमें साउंड नहीं है। बड़ी प्यारी गाड़ी है।
कंफर्ट अच्छा है,
कंफर्ट अच्छा है, ये सीट कंफर्ट अच्छा है, स्टीयरिंग एडजस्टेबल है, काफ़ी ठीक बढ़िया है, अच्छा है।
तो यही कार, ये जो फीचर्स हैं वो स्कॉर्पियो में भी होते हैं, लेकिन आपने वो क्यों नहीं परचेज की?
वो ठीक नहीं, हमें पसंद ये आई, डिजाइन काफी अच्छा लगा।
हाँ,
ये चीज अच्छी लगी।
और स्कॉर्पियो जो है मतलब बहुत पुरानी कार भी है, मतलब बहुत टाइम से है, 10-12 साल हो गए। तो ये जो है नई आई थी, नई
फीचर के साथ आई थी, बाकी बढ़िया थी, बजट के हिसाब से भी ठीक
बजट
रही।
के हिसाब से। हाँ, तो हाँ, क्योंकि इसका जो टॉप मॉडल है आपको सस्ता पड़ रहा है अगर हम स्कॉर्पियो के ले जाएं तो।
हाँ, ये टॉप मॉडल सस्ता पड़ा है।
हाँ, उसका बेस मॉडल के प्राइस का, ठीक है।
हाँ।
तो अब मुझे एक चीज़ बताइए कि आपको क्या क्या फीचर्स अच्छे लगते हैं इस कार के अंदर?
कार के फीचर, ये पार्किंग सेंसर बड़ा प्यारा है, ये फुल रिव्यू कर रहा है पीछे का, सेंसर टूंग अलर्ट कर रहे हैं, साउंड फीचर बड़ा अच्छा है, म्यूजिक सिस्टम अच्छा है, लाइक दिस। बाकी अच्छा है, इन क्लस्टर भी काफ़ी अच्छा है, पावर विंडो है चारों साइड की, ORVM भी वो वाला अपना ऑटोमेटिक है, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक, ये फीचर अच्छे हैं, स्टीयरिंग का कंट्रोल्स हैं।
अच्छा, तो मतलब आप दूसरों को क्या कहना चाहेंगे इस कार को, अगर मतलब कंफ्यूजन हो रही है उन्हें कि हम स्कॉर्पियो खरीदें या इसके जो राइवल्स हैं उनमें से मतलब किसको खरीदें, तो आपके अकॉर्डिंग क्या है?
ऐसी बात नहीं, स्कॉर्पियो भी बढ़िया है।
हाँ।
अच्छी गाड़ी है, हैवी गाड़ी है, जिसका बजट स्कॉर्पियो खरीदे, जिसका बजट अपना TUV पे। ये नहीं कि TUV खराब है काफी बढ़िया जोरदार गाड़ी, बेस्ट गाड़ी है, बेस्ट। जिसका बजट बनता है वो TUV ले ले,
TUV खरीद,
लेकिन मजा सारा स्कॉर्पियो वाला ही है।
हाँ, क्योंकि महिंद्रा ब्रांड एक ही है,
ब्रांड भी एक है,
और
इंजॉय पूरा स्कॉर्पियो वाला, लाइक दिस म्यूजिक सिस्टम वेरी नाइस, एनीवन सब कुछ स्कॉर्पियो ऐसा मजा है। ऊंचाई भी उतनी है, डायमेंशन भी उतना है, कंफर्टेबल और अपना कंफर्टेबल भी उतना है, काफी अच्छा कंफर्टेबल है। तो जिसका बजट बनता है वो ये ले लेता है, जिसका बजट बनता है स्कॉर्पियो का है।
हाँ, तो ये मतलब यही था हमारा कि मतलब कस्टमर जब खुश होता है किसी भी कार से तो वो ये बताता है कि किस लिए वो खुश हो रहा है। अब इसमें जो है टच स्क्रीन अवेलेबल है तो इस वजह से ये खुश हो रहे हैं। बाकी जो है मतलब फीचर्स बहुत अच्छे हैं इस कार के, क्योंकि कम प्राइस में आपको ज़्यादा फीचर्स मिल रहे हैं तो आप तो कार के लिए जाएंगे। अब स्कॉर्पियो का क्या है, वो बेस मॉडल आपको मिल रहा है इतने प्राइस में, लेकिन इसका जो है टॉप मॉडल है, तो इस वजह से ये गए इस कार के लिए। तो आप कस्टमर को क्या कहना चाहेंगे कि आपको मतलब क्या लगता है कि अगर वो कंफ्यूज हो गए इस कार को खरीदने जा रहे हैं तो मतलब क्या माइलेज आपको प्रोवाइड कर रही है कार अकॉर्डिंग से?
कंपनी से बताई हुई 15 का एवरेज दे रही है, पूरा एक भी कम नहीं हुई अभी तक।
अच्छा, तो 15 का एवरेज
15 का दे रही है, इसको चला के भी देख चुके हैं, लीटर पे 15 का एवरेज पूरा दे रही है कंपनी के बताए हुए।
अच्छा, तो गाइस देखा, माइलेज भी आपको जो है कंपनी की मिल रही है, जो कंपनी ने लिखा है वो मिल रही है। बाकी आपको मतलब किस तरीके का और जो है मतलब आपके फैमिली के हिसाब से ये कार अच्छी है?
ये बड़ी बेस्ट है।
और ये जो है सीटिंग कैपेसिटी इसकी कैसी लगी आपको? मतलब कितने जो है सीट्स के लिए अकॉर्डिंग आपकी फैमिली के लिए सही है?
कंफर्टेबल है, बहुत बढ़िया है।
और जैसे आपके फैमिली में कितने मेंबर्स होंगे?
हैं 5 जने।
5 हैं, तो 5 के लिए तो ये कार भाई 7 के लिए बनी ही है, तो 5 के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छी है। सो और मतलब आप इसे किस लिए यूज करते हैं? मतलब लॉन्ग ट्रेवल के लिए करते हैं, ऑफ रोड में चलाने के लिए?
जैसे मर्जी काम
हाँ,
मर्जी जैसे जाना है।
तो मतलब ऑफ रोड पे कभी चलाए?
ऑफ रोड पे भी चलती है, बड़ी प्यारी चलती है ऑफ रोड में, पता ही नहीं चलता।
हाँ, तो देख सकते हैं आपकी जब ओनर,
बेस्ट गाड़ी ऑफ रोड के लिए ही है।
हाँ, तो जो ओनर बोल रहा है मतलब ओनर का जो है खुद का एक रिव्यू है, मैं इस वजह से लाया कस्टमर का रिव्यू, क्योंकि उन्हें पता रहता है, वो हर चीज़ के तरीके से कार को चलाते हैं। और इन्होंने चलाया है, कितने साल हो गए आपको?
2 साल हो गए।
2 साल का हो गए, बताओ मतलब कार का अच्छे से बता सकते हैं कि कैसी लगी इन्हें। तो गाइस अब ये जो है मतलब रख रहे हैं अपने पास ये कार 2 साल से, और ये ऑफ रोड में भी चलाई होगी
ऑफ रोड में बड़ी बेस्ट चलती है ये।
तो बेस्ट चलती है गाइस, जैसे कि आप जानते हैं, ये कह रहे हैं तो हमें तो मानना ही पड़ेगा। तो गाइस अगर आप TUV में कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं तो ये इनका मानना ये है कि अगर आप TUV के लिए जा रहे हैं तो जरूर से खरीदें। तो आप क्या कहेंगे, उन्हें खरीदना चाहिए कि नहीं?
खरीदनी चाहिए, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। गाड़ी बड़ी हैवी गाड़ी, पता नहीं चलता ऑफ रोड में चल रही या नहीं चल रही, सेम टू सेम। और एनीथिंग वो जंपर जो आते हैं और छोटी गाड़ी में बड़ा तंग करते हैं, कट कट, इसमें नहीं पता चलता, गाड़ी सीधे ही जा रही है, कोई जंपर का पता नहीं चलता, कट कट कुछ नहीं, नो साउंड। बड़ी बेस्ट गाड़ी है, हैवी गाड़ी है दिस।
सो गाइस जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे खुद कस्टमर ने बोला है, तो कार तो होगी अच्छी। तो अगर आप TUV में कंफ्यूज हो रहे हैं तो बिल्कुल ना हो, कार बहुत ही अच्छी है। अगर आपके बजट में है तो प्लीज़ इसके लिए जाएं, क्योंकि कार जो है बहुत ही अच्छी है। सही बोल रहे हैं, लुक्स के मामले में, कंफर्ट के मामले में भी बहुत अच्छी है, सेफ्टी के मामले में हम सभी जानते हैं ABS के साथ आ रही है, EBD के साथ आ रही है, जो कि बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है और एक बहुत ही बेहतर फीचर है। तो गाइस आज की वीडियो में इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में। टिल देन गुड बाय।